Today I want us to prepare pilau, and I'll take you step by step in order for you to learn how to go about it. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, so that you can be notified when I prepare something new. So today we will going to use these two onions, because when you're preparing pilau you need a lot of onions. That's why I have the big ones, you can see them. And then we have got garlic and ginger, but I have used a bit of ginger and garlic to boil our meat. Yeah, so then we have got cardamom seed, you can see them. So I'm going to crush them. I'll crush them so that I can get that sweet aroma, because when you open them inside, there are seeds inside. Then we will going to use cumic seeds, you can see them, that's how they look like. And then we'll use pilau masala. This is pilau masala. We have got salt with us, and then we have got our meat with us. I have already boiled the meat. You can see the way it is, and then we have boiled with ginger and then with garlic, so that at least the meat can be tasty. Then from there we have got our rice here. I'll be using pure pishori rice. This is from where, and it is pure. It is very nice. And then we have got our sufuria, the one that you're going to use. These are 3 cups and a half. And then I'm going to use 3 cups and a half with a kg of meat. Then we have got our water here, because we need to boil water. And then we have got our soup that we're going to use inside there when we are cooking our rice. And then I think I've forgotten, we have got oil. Let me show you. We have got oil here, so I'm going to use oil, and then I think that is it. So let us start. Now I have cut our onions, you can see, and then I have put oil. And remember, pilau requires enough oil. So if you don't put enough oil, you'll not have a very nice pilau. And then I have added another cup of rice, so I'll be cooking 4 cups of rice. I've already washed the rice, you can see the way it looks like. And then I've drained the water, but some people, they prefer soaking the rice for some time. But for me, I don't like soaking the rice. I just wash it, and then that is it. So when we are still cooking our onions, we'll wait until they are done. Yeah, because we require that the brown color. Require the brown color. Then I'll put our garlic. I've put our garlic. Remember, I've not put a lot, because already in our meat we have enough garlic and ginger. So I have not put a lot of ginger and garlic. But for garlic, maybe you can use like maybe 8 cloves. It depends. Yeah, it depends with the quantity of the rice that you are cooking. Yeah, it depends with the quantity of the rice that you are cooking. So we are still cooking our onions, so we'll make sure that they are well done before we put our meat inside. Yeah, so let us just wait, and then I'll be mashing the cardamom seed, so that we can get that sweet aroma of pilau. Yeah, I don't like putting I don't like putting pepper, yeah, the full seeds of pepper, because of the kids. So but if maybe you're not preparing for the kids, you can just put the full pepper and so on. Yeah, so I have already crushed the cardamom seed. You can see the way they look like. Yeah, this is the way they look like. And then when you're preparing mandazi, you can use this. It gives the mandazi very sweet aroma. So this is our onion. It looks like this. Now I'm going to put the meat inside. That is our meat. So I'll put our meat, and then I'm going to put cumin seeds. I only put like 2 spoons. So we will going to wait until our meat become brown, and also our onion will continue cooking. That's the reason why I didn't let it become so brown, because I know as the meat cooks, it is going to make our onions to become very brown. Yeah, so I'll only put the cumin seeds and then the cardamom. Then later I'm going to put our pilau masala. Yeah, that is it. So as we continue waiting for the meat to become a bit brown, I will start preparing our kachumbari. So we are going to use 2 medium onions. I've tried to cut them, and then I'm going to use 3 tomatoes. So what I'll do, I'm going to cut the onions, and then after cutting them, I'm going to use hot water to wash them together with salt, and then I'm going to cut our tomatoes. Then from there I'll explain to you how I'm going to explain to you how we will continue from there. So look at our meat, the way it looks like. It looks like this. It has started to brown. Look at it. Yeah, so this is how I wanted it to look like. Looks very nice. So we are going to put our pilau masala. You can see. So I'll put two of this for pilau masala, and then you stir. You stir. The way it looks like, you stir. So you just wait for it to continue browning a bit. So we'll now put our rice. Yeah, so inside. This is our rice. You just put a bit and then you stir. Just stir. Again. Ensure that you have put everything. Then you stir. Then now when we are done, we just give it some time, just maybe like 2 minutes. So for me, I don't put tomatoes inside my pilau, or maybe tomato paste. I don't. So I just cook it like that. Okay. I'm still trying to stir so that our rice will be okay. You can see the way it looks like inside. Yeah. So from here, now we will going to put water. So we'll start with our soup. We will start with our soup, and you have to use the same cup that you used to measure the rice. Use the same cup. Don't use a different cup. So as we know, we have got 4 cups of rice. So let's see. So that is 1 cup of rice. Let's add the remaining one and see. Yeah. So I know I have to add a little bit. Yeah. So I have already boiled hot water. So those are 2 cups. Those are 3 cups. Water is very hot. And then those are 4 cups. And then you can just add a little to ensure every cup is full. So I'll just stir a bit. And then now from here, we'll just let it to boil. Then after boiling, now that's when I'm going to lower the fire, and then I cover our rice. Then we're going to see the result at the end. Let me taste whether it has enough salt. It has add a bit of salt, just a little. Don't put a lot. I think that's okay. Yeah, now this is our pilau. I think you can see the way it looks like. It's very nice. And then we have got our kachumbari here. So I'm going to put it in a plate, and then we see how it looks like. Look at it. It's very nice and very yummy. Yeah, I wish you are here to taste. Yes, it does. Now this is our final product. It looks like this. You can see the way it looks like. Very nice. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.